Okay, dear students, today we are going to start class 6 science. And the very first chapter in class 6 science is the topic measurement. Whenever we talk about the term measurement, now what are the things which come in our mind? Uh, suppose you go to the market and you ask the shopkeeper, please give me potato. Now you just think what the potato, how much potato you need. Definitely the shopkeeper will ask you that. How much potato you need. Then you may say 1 kg, 2 kg, 500 gram, and like that. So unless and until you say that I need this much potato, 1 kg or 2 kg or half kg, shopkeeper won't be able to give you the potato. So once you say, then definitely with the help of beam balance, the shopkeeper will measure the amount of potato, how much you need, and you will get that much amount of potato. Similarly, if we have to take the measurement of length, so we may need like measuring tape or ruler. Suppose you have to take the length of your science book. So with the help of ruler, you can measure it. Clear? So in this way, actually, what we are doing actually, in the previous case, if you think that you are measuring the mass of potato which was unknown actually in the beginning. Suppose you need 2 kg mass of potato. How much will be the 2 kg mass of potato? You didn't know. Shopkeeper also didn't know. But with the help of, if you'll see on your right hand side, there is a weight which measures 2 kg. And that is the known measurement, 2 kg. So potato, the mass of the potato is being compared with this 2 kg, known 2 kg weight. In that way, what we are doing, unknown quantity, we are actually comparing with the known one. Mass of the potato was actually unknown, but here the weight on your right hand side, that 2 kg, that is the known. So by comparing, we can get the exact measurement of 2 kg potato. Similarly, for measuring, suppose if you go to the shopkeeper and ask me, just give me 1 meter or 2 meter cloth, then he will take the help of a measuring tape, or he may take the help of meter rod, and with the help of that he can measure the cloth, and you can get the exact measurement of the cloth which you need. So here also same thing is happening. Previously the measurement of cloth, that is unknown, but that is being compared with the known measurement which is given in the measuring tape or meter rod. So in that way, here also what we have to do, the known actually quantity we are comparing with the known one. In that way we can get the measurement. So in this way, what we are getting, what is the measurement? The process of comparing an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity is called measurement. So in the previous cases which I have explained you, that the mass of the potato was unknown, and that was compared with the known 2 kg weight. In that way we are doing the measurement. So that's why, what is measurement? The process of comparing an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity is called measurement. So I'm sure now you have understood the definition of measurement. Now suppose if I ask you, can you measure length of your classroom, or length of your book, or length of your bench, definitely the answer will come yes, you can measure. Similarly, you can measure the mass. If you are asked, can you measure the mass of any substance? Answer will come in yes. Similarly, time. Suppose if I ask you, how long do you take to reach school from your home? You can measure the time. So when you start from home, you can see the watch, and when you reach at school, again you can see the time in your watch, and you can get the time, how much minutes or how much hours you need. 15 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, it may be 5 minutes, it may be half an hour. That means time also you can measure. Similarly, volume, how much you need. Suppose milk 1 liter, 2 liter. So that is the volume we can measure. Similarly, temperature. If you are asked what is your body temperature right now, you can measure with the help of thermometer. You can measure. Suppose if I ask you happiness. Oh, today you are very happy, dear. How much happiness you have got? Can you tell? Can you measure your happiness? Can you measure the happiness of your friends? Definitely you will say no, sir. Answer will come in not. Similarly, you cannot measure sadness. Okay? Oh, baby, you are looking very sad today. How much sad? What is the measurement of your sadness? Can you say no? The answer will come no. It cannot be measured. Similarly, oh, Ram, you are very wise. But if you ask how much wise is Ram, how much wise you are, Ram, definitely there won't be any measurement. Okay? You can simply say, oh, very wise, I am very wise, Ram is very wise. But you cannot say how much. In numerical value, in measurement, you cannot say. So what we are getting from these examples, that there are some quantities which can be measured, okay, and there are some quantities which cannot be measured, like your length you can measure, mass you can measure, time you can measure, volume you can measure, temperature you can measure, but happiness you can't, sadness you can't, wisdom you can't. So many quantities are there which can be measured, and there are so many quantities which cannot be measured. So in this way, what we are getting, there are actually two types of quantities. So the one which can be measured are called physical quantities. So the quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Length, mass, time, area, volume, temperature, all these are your physical quantities, because we can measure these quantities. Similarly, other quantities which cannot be measured, so it's written for you there, the quantities which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantities. Happiness, sadness, love, wisdom, these are the quantities which cannot be measured. These are called non-physical quantities. So today, dear students, we have come to know what are physical and non-physical quantities. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities, and the quantities which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantity. And before that, we have come to know the definition of measurement. That already I have told you, I have shown you, you have learned that what is measurement. It's nothing but the process of comparing an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity is called measurement. So it's the word for you. You have to learn what is measurement, what are physical quantities, and what are non-physical quantities. So for today, this much only. Rest we will come to know in our next class. Okay, thank you very much.